So guys, today I have 1forall.ai. It's a software that offers a lot of services with one payment. And the best part is it's on a lifetime deal and you also get API keys. That's the main attractive feature with this. That means you pay once and you can use it to generate music or clone your voice. Text to speech is available and you can generate video. A lot of features are there. So yeah, I just got the basic plan here, which is the $59 plan, just to test it out whether it's good or not. When you sign up for an account, you get 1,000 credits and you get 6,700 credits every month. This is the plan that I am in right now. And we can generate around 27 videos, which is 5 seconds each, and we can do a lot of things with this. The other best part is that there is unused credits rollover up to next month. So suppose you have 6,700 credits this month and you did not use any of that credit, you can use it the next month. That means one more thing to note, that it's capped at 13,400 credits. So that's the maximum credits that you can have in your account. So it's dependent on the plan that you are in, right? So if you are in the second tier, you can keep like 18,000 credits, and for if you are in the tier 3, you get 32,000 credits. It's just straightforward. The important part that we need to think is that how many credits each action will cost us, right? The costlier the model, the costlier the credit usage. And you can also see, if you click here, you can see the account options related to that. So my account renews at 29th. So after 29th, I will get another 6,700 credits. So if you need more credits, you can also buy it from here if you want more credits. That's how the account details looks like. If you have an API, that means you can use it anywhere, right? Suppose you can use it with make.com, or if you want, you can use it in N8N or any automation or any website that supports like API key and supports a HTTP call. You can directly make a call to this and generate whatever things that's supported here. So let's get started. So if I click on chat, this is the first window you will see. You can directly input what you want without actually selecting this option. I'll show you like what I mean. And I want to generate an image of a cat riding a sports bike. So as you can see, I'm not selecting any options here, right? I'm just clicking on send a message. The interface will automatically select the option for us, the model, see the resolution and everything. And if we want, we can actually change the aspect ratio or size. Let's make it like 16:9, and we can also select all the models that's available. And you can see this is the latest model, Recraft V3. And then they have Flux Context Max. This is for high-end image editing. Then Flux Context Pro, then Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, which produces like really high quality images. Then cheap model Flux Channel, and then ideogram models are available. I wonder why Google Imagen 3 is still being used. Now we have Google Imagen 4 and Minimax Image 1, the DXL Stable Diffusion models, the Leonardo Phoenix models, and all these models are available, right? But one thing to note, there is no OpenAI models here. Maybe they'll add that in the future. Let's select 1.1 Pro Ultra. Why I am selecting this? Because this can produce images in high resolution. So if I select the model, now it's switched to the supported aspect ratios, as you can see. So the prompt that I changed was automatically changed to a better prompt here. See, I did not do anything, the interface did that for me. And once you are happy, you can also click on generate and the image will be generated. Okay, as you can see, now it generated the image, and I'm not seeing how many credits it's consumed. I need to see that as well, but it's not showing. And yeah, suppose if I want to change, I want to remove the helmet from this image, right? And then what we can do, the UI looks really great because we can select all the models right from this interface without actually going to the sidebar. That approach I really liked with this. Let me just select image and image to image, right? So here these models take image as an input. Since we already generated image, it's already selected for us. Just click on an image, or you can upload your own image, right? This is the highest quality image editing model that's available here. So I would definitely recommend Flux Context Max. And if you want like a cheaper version of this, you can use Flux Context Pro image generation. So here I'll select the best version, and let's say remove that helmet from the cat. Let me just click on generate, and let's see. So it consumed around like 100 credits, right? See, now the same cat and the helmet is now removed. So that's how you pick the correct model for the correct use case. Now there is like video options. We have like text to video, image to video. And if I just select on text to video, we have all these models: WAN 2.1, Minimax Director, Leonardo Motion 2, Google VO3 is even available. So if I select Google VO3, I think I will use up all the credits. The UI is really great because we don't have to go searching for everything here, and we can select all the best video models from here. I just don't want to burn through all the credits, but I just want to show you like what options are available. If you want to generate high quality video, then I would definitely recommend going with Google VO3. It can also create sound for you. So if that's the case, then use that. Or you can use WAN 2.1 or any of these model, Minimax and Minimax Direct. It can also take in prompts like the camera angles, tilt, zoom, and things like that. And this is Leonardo Motion is not that it's not a quality model. Out of this, the first preference, if you have the credits, go with VO3. If you don't have it, definitely use WAN 2.1. It can also generate like a good output, right? So that's the interface here. You can use this specific interface to get your job done right from here, or else you can browse through each section specifically for that. And as you can see, if I click on text to speech, I can generate text to speech as well. I have all these voices that's available. There are like a ton of voices, as you can see, 1420 voices. You can also sort from different accent and provider. You have all these providers. Minimax is good. I would definitely, if you want to clone your voice, I would definitely recommend having Minimax. That's the best quality voice that you can get. And you can also use 11 labs if for any other. If your need is just a normal voice, then you can use 11 labs. But for cloning, I would definitely recommend Minimax. That would preserve your sound exactly like the original sound. And you can also select from different pricing tier as well. So if you want, you can give it a name. I can say, don't forget to share and subscribe to Soft. That can be the text, and I can select any voice from here. So that's a French voice. Let's select one from 11 labs, right? Let's select English. And gender can be male. Provider can be 11 labs. Yeah, pricing tier, let it be like that. Now we have more specific voices. We have 11 specific voices. I can select. Okay, that seems like a good voice. I can select that. Now, as you can see, we can see the credits, right? For 55 characters, the total credits will be around 17. So let me just click on generate. The recording is available now. Where is that available? Okay, it should be here, right? Yes. So
don't forget to share and subscribe to Softreviewed.
You can also just download the voice here. So if you want, you can convert an Excel to speech. So if you have an Excel and if you want to read that out for you, you can do that. Exactly what I have shown you before. Instead of inputting text, you can upload like CSV, XLS, or all the supported formats. The maximum size should be like 100 MB, and you can just click on browse and upload the file that you want, and just select the voice and click on generate. That's that. And you also have all these fancy tools, and yeah, you can also convert your PDF to speech as well. Same workflow as I have shown you before. There is nothing to show there. And this is something good. You have 11 labs voice. You can just browse an audio of you speaking and just select the gender here, enter your name and confirm and just click on record and it that voice for you. And if the next time when you come to text to speech, here in the filter you can see your cloned voice here, right? You can also phone for free for Minimax Pro and Premium price tier. So for Minimax cloning, you will require like 8,000 credits, right? So what I am getting is around 6,000 credits. So I'll have to wait one more month so that I can do this. So if you are on the second tier, you get 9,400 credits. So yeah, then you can use the Minimax feature. That's why it's like a premium tool. So yeah, the cloning also is really costly there. 11 labs, I think I can do that. Maybe I can just show you, can just give you that a name. And let me just, I need to upload the voice, provide an audio file of 1 to 1.5 minutes for best result. Yeah, you just need to click on, go to like your voice recorder. And start recording your voice and make sure that it's in MP3 or WAV. You can change the settings here to set the quality, set the format. Since WAV is supported, I would definitely recommend WAV. Keep it like that and record the voice, just upload it. And so as you can see, I have recorded the audio and it was around 12 MB. If I show you the properties, see it's 12 MB, right? So we need to keep it under 10 MB in order to upload it. So I asked ChatGPT to compress this. If you don't know that, you can do that. I just want to show you that feature is also available with ChatGPT. And we have our compressed audio here. Now if I just go to download, this is my compressed audio. I'm just dragging and dropping it, and as you can see, it's only now 4 MB, right? So I am just clicking on submit. I don't know how many credits that it will consume, but if there are any credits left, I will continue with this video. So your voice was successfully uploaded. So I think my voice is cloned now. So for 11 labs, the voice cloning was free. Let's go to text speech again, and as you can see, I have my cloned voice here. Let me just again, don't skip the video, watch the video till the end, and don't forget to leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let that be the text. Now let me just select my voice, and as you can see that it's marked as cloned, right? And just select that and just click on generate, and it will consume 37 credits. Okay, that was good. It did not consume credits for cloning. Now we can see our voice here itself. Don't skip the video, watch the video till the end, and don't forget to leave your valuable comments in the comments section. So as you heard, that's my cloned voice. So if you were using Minimax, then you can get even better quality cloning that resembles your own voice. So yeah, that's how that option works, and you can see your recordings by coming here. As you can see, the voice is also available here. Now as we move to our text to image, as you can see, we have already went through the text to image section, and here you can see the credits, right? Okay, craft v3. Okay, you need to come here in order to see the actual credit consumption for each model. So we generated using Flux 1.1 Pro, right? Ultra model. So it takes 120 credits. Okay, it takes 120 credits. Flux channel cost takes 5 credits. Imagine takes 70 credits. Recraft takes 30 credits. Flux context max takes 120 credits. So it's really costly. The costly models are all these flux models, and as you can see, ideogram also takes high credits, 150 credits. Google Imagine takes 70 credits. And these, I wouldn't recommend you guys using all these image models. No, Phoenix Ultra. Phoenix quality. Ultra might produce like really, you can get really high quality image up to the size 5 MB. So if you want really crisp images, you can use Ultra. These are the options, and as you can see, the credit consumption is also available here. You can also change the contrast, and the aspect ratio also can be selected from here. Excel to image, I don't even know why these options exist. Who want to take their Excel and convert to image? Anyway, it's there. If you want to convert your Excel to image, you have the same image models as we saw before, and here, as you can see, before, the images that we created are also available here. So to convert from image to image, we have much lesser options here. You have control net, flux context max, and flux context pro. These are the options available. I wish they had Seed Dream here, which is like a really good model. And Google Nano Banana is also missing, and OpenAI's image models are also missing. So out of this, you can definitely use Context Max for the best high quality images. These are the images that we generated, and when we go to our video section, as you can see, WAN 2.1 generates 320 credits, right? Oh god, hey, we Google VO3 cost like 8,000 credits in order to use it. So you cannot even generate one video with this specific plan that I'm in right now, because I only get 6,700 credits, right? Yeah, you can use WAN 2.1, which is really cheap. Minimax with 830 credits. Leonardo Motion 500 credits. I would definitely recommend you guys use WAN 2.1 because it's really great, and the credit consumption is also really low. It's only 320 credits, right? Let me just show you like an image to video, right? Let's just animate it. WAN 2.1 here only supports text to video. For image to video, we have a CogX. I have not even heard of this model. What's the pricing here? 450. Minimax Live 2D is 830. Kling 800. Kling 1.6 450 credits. Luma Ray is 600 credits. Minimax is 830 credits. Leonardo Motion is 500 credits. Disappointed to see that there is no runway models. Runway models are really like cheap and produce really high quality. Out of this, I would suggest you go with the Kling 1.6 because of the cheap cost. Yeah, let's try this. Cat riding a sports bike, and he's showing thumbs up. You can improve this prompt by going to ChatGPT and asking it to improve, but here I just want to see what the raw output will look like. So it will only take 450 credits. So let's see how good of a video that it can generate. And the best part is everything is, you can see what's happening directly here on the right hand side. That's also really nice. The history can also be seen here. So we have our ready. Let me just download it. Just play this. As you can see, the quality is good, right? Since we are using the Kling 1.6, and it showed that thumbs up as like we asked. That's why I recommend using this model out of the model which is really cheap, but it still costs 450 credits. Yeah, now let's move to audio to video. So if you have a video, you can add audio as well. So this video don't have an audio, right? So we can add like riding a bike. Let's click on generate and see. So it will add that audio to the background, which is nice. I really like that. Now if I play it, so it added that sound for us. It only took 30 credits. It did not just generate it separately, but it integrated that into the actual video, which is really nice. So if I just go to my video, you can see all the videos that you generated in one place. This is like the history where you can see what you generated. Now let's move to text to sound. Here you can type in text and convert that into sound. Maybe dog barking. Suppose you want to create sound effects for your project, then you can generate that. Let me just see if we can generate that. I have added to like 3 seconds. It will cost you like 15 credits. Now we have that. Yeah. Oh, it's using 11 laps for the sound generation. So we got that dog barking for 3 seconds. So yeah, really nice. If you want, you can also download it into your local system. Or we can also create text to music. Same concept. You type in like a text and it will be converted to music. Music generation. These are the supported models. Music generation, large music gen melody. Create high quality music. So it's just 8 seconds. Let me just change to at least 30 seconds, right? The maximum you cannot create. So it's default. So the maximum length that you can generate is only 22 seconds. That's bad. Even with the music large version. A pop song about share and subscribe to Softreviewed. Let's see. Let's generate with the best model that's available here. So there is no vocals whatsoever. It's only the instruments playing in the background. That's how that works. Now let's move to music. So this is, I think, for remixing. So I thought this was integrated with Suno or something. That's music to music. Only downside is that it's only like 22 seconds long. So you cannot generate anything meaningful, or else you have to generate 22 seconds each and stitch it together or loop it in order to make it like a background music or like something. Describe the music that you want. I have this dog barking, right? Maybe pop song about a dog. Let's keep it to 22 seconds here. Let's see what it can generate. I'm just exploring what the actual use case is for with this tool. So we finally have our music. So yeah, I have uploaded dog barking, and this is the response that I got. Yeah, anyways, it's available, and here you can add team members. I don't know how many you are able to add here. So there is no mention of, but you can add team members. Yeah, without enough credits, there is no point in adding too many team members, but that option is available. You can contact support. They don't have a live chat or something, but you need to actually send them a mail if you need support. And you can also click on create the API key and generate the API key just like that. And if you want to see the full documentation, you can get that from here. So you can definitely use it in your project or in your app without having to pay monthly for a subscription. So if you get the highest plan, for example, you can go up to $549, right? And the highest plan, which gives you like this many credits, 100,000 credits per month, which you can generate like 400 videos, which is 5 seconds each. And there is like a lot you can do. So if you want to use any of the services that we just saw here, you can use it lifetime. So that's the advantage of using this. And you can also accumulate the credits. If you are on the highest plan, 200,000 credits can be used in a month if you have not used it previously. And if you want to check this software out, I will have the link in the description. So let me know if you want me to generate like a custom app for make automation. Maybe if there is enough demand, I can create that for you. And yeah, if you liked it, please do share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day. Click that thumb